Roderick Munday uses the metaphor of a box to explain semiosis. So we have a box. It represents something to us. What it represents to us, by looking at the box, the sign, we get to see something that we think it means. We interpret the something from the semiotic sign's representation. How we see the box, how the box is represented to us, we cannot help but put in our mind something that we think that this is representing. Our interpretation of that something connects directly to the intended message, if it is successful. So here we have sign action working. The sign that we want to communicate, the concept we want to be communicated, represents something to